Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Talk channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Luna.
Hello, Luna. Hi, everyone. I am so happy to be here today. I'm John, and we have some real talk for our listeners today. This is the podcast where we speak slowly, use simple words, and help you understand real English.
Today, we are talking about a question many English learners ask.
Yes, the question is, why can't I speak English fluently yet?
Maybe you study every day.
Maybe you watch English videos.
Maybe you learn new words every week.
But when you want to speak, the words do not come out.
If that sounds like you, don't worry.
You are not alone.
Today, we will share 5 real reasons why many learners still cannot speak English fluently.
And don't worry, we will also give simple tips to help you improve.
Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
It helps us make more English lessons for you.
Ready?
Let's begin. Reason 1. You learn English, but you don't use it.
John, let's talk about the first reason.
Sure, the first reason is very common.
What is it?
Many people learn English, but they don't use English.
That's true.
They read English.
They watch English videos.
They study grammar.
But they rarely speak.
Exactly.
Let's teach a useful phrase.
Good idea.
The phrase is use it or lose it.
Listen again.
Use it or lose it.
This means if you do not practice a skill, you may forget it.
Let's hear an example.
I learned many English words, but I forgot them because I didn't use them.
Good example.
Now let's have a short dialogue. Listen.
Do you speak English every day?
No, I only study vocabulary.
Do you practice speaking?
Not really.
Maybe that's why speaking feels difficult.
Discuss. Friends, did you hear that?
The student studied English.
But he did not use English.
Speaking is like exercising.
Yes, if you want stronger muscles, you must exercise.
If you want better English, you must speak.
Listen again.
Do you speak English every day?
No, I only study vocabulary.
Do you practice speaking?
Not really.
Maybe that's why speaking feels difficult.
Friends, try speaking for just 5 minutes every day.
Small practice can make a big difference. Reason 2, you are afraid of making mistakes.
Let's move to reason number 2.
This one is very important.
Many learners are afraid of making mistakes,
They think their grammar is not perfect,
or their pronunciation is not perfect.
so they stay silent.
But mistakes are normal.
Exactly.
Let's learn a phrase.
The phrase is, nobody is perfect.
Listen again.
Nobody is perfect.
It means everyone makes mistakes.
Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. Listen.
Why don't you speak English in class?
I'm afraid.
Afraid of what?
I'm afraid of making mistakes.
That's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. Discuss.
Did you hear that?
The student was afraid.
Fear stopped her from speaking.
But mistakes help us learn.
Every mistake teaches something.
Listen again. Why don't you speak English in class?
I'm afraid.
Afraid of what?
I'm afraid of making mistakes.
That's okay. Everyone makes mistakes.
Good job if you are trying to speak.
Every sentence is progress. Reason 3. You translate everything in your head.
Now let's talk about reason number 3.
This is a big problem for many learners.
They translate every sentence,
First in their language.
then into English,
This takes time.
and speaking becomes slow.
Let's learn a useful phrase.
Think in English.
Listen again.
Think in English.
Start with simple thoughts.
For example,
I am hungry.
my coffee is hot.
The weather is nice today.
Listen. What are you thinking?
I need lunch.
Try saying it in English.
I need lunch.
Great job. Discuss.
That was simple.
Very simple.
Simple English is powerful.
You do not need difficult words. Listen again. What are you thinking?
I need lunch.
Try saying it in English.
I need lunch.
Great job. Reason 4. You focus too much on grammar.
Reason number 4 surprises many learners.
What is it?
You focus too much on grammar.
Grammar is important.
Yes, but communication is more important.
Many learners stop speaking because they want perfect grammar.
Instead, try speaking first.
Then improve little by little. Listen.
Did you go to the store?
Yes, I go yesterday.
I understand you.
Really? Yes, the grammar isn't perfect, but the message is clear.
Discuss.
Communication first.
Perfection later.
That's a good rule. Listen again.
Did you go to the store?
Yes, I go yesterday.
I understand you.
Really?
Yes, the message is clear. Reason 5. You give up too quickly.
Now we have the final reason.
Many learners give up too quickly.
They study for 1 month.
Maybe 2 months.
Then they say, my English is not improving.
But language learning takes time.
Let's learn a phrase.
Keep going.
Listen again.
Keep going.
Listen, I've been studying for 3 months,
That's great.
but I'm not fluent yet.
Keep going. You are improving every day. Discuss.
Success doesn't happen overnight.
Small steps matter.
1 new word.
1 short conversation.
1 listening practice.
These small actions become big progress.
Listen again. I've been studying for 3 months,
That's great.
but I'm not fluent yet.
Keep going. You are improving every day. Wrap up.
Today we learned 5 real reasons why many learners still cannot speak English fluently.
Reason 1. You learn English, but you don't use it.
Reason 2. You are afraid of making mistakes.
Reason 3. You translate everything in your head.
Reason 4. You focus too much on grammar.
Reason 5. You give up too quickly.
Let's review today's key phrases.
Use it or lose it.
Nobody is perfect.
Think in English.
Communication first.
Keep going.
Good job, everyone.
You are improving already.
Remember, fluency is a journey.
Every day of practice helps.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
We hope this conversation helped you feel more confident.
Tell us in the comments, which reason is your biggest challenge?
And how often do you practice English speaking?
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Everyday English Talk channel.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep smiling.